Hi, and welcome to your Wellness Wednesday video. Today, the flower essence that came up is the flower essence of Morning Glory, and it came up under the area of balance. And so, Morning Glory helps to balance our astral body with our physical body. And what happens when we need Morning Glory is that we are not following the natural rhythms of life. And generally, our astral bodies, which are more active at night, are predominant. And so our physical body is suffering. It talks about, needing caffeine or needing to boost energy. And I think with how the energies are right now, there's a lot of us that are doing a lot of, our astral bodies are quite active at night. And so we're waking up feeling really exhausted, feeling depleted, feeling like we've got no energy. Almost the one thing they kind of say is like it's dull and almost like hungover. And so if you were feeling this, it's probably because your astral body is really active at night, and these need to come into balance in order for you to live, really, because if they become too out of balance and our astral bodies are too active, our physical body starts to suffer and deteriorate because it is akin to the natural cycles of life, um, you know, and energy. And so this essence helps us to kind of balance the two so that we can have more, our body can feel more physically able to cope with the day, and to be able to kind of come back to a natural rhythm of, sleep at night when our body rests, because that's when our body needs to recharge and rest. And and then we can be active during the day. And so if you're really noticing difficulties with this, because of the energies, I don't think it will completely take it away, but it'll definitely help bring it a little bit more into harmony and balance so that you can function a little bit better. I know I've had lots of days where hungover is a great word for it. I just feel like I can't, function the next day, and I feel really kind of out of it and spacey and things like that. So saying that too, a good thing to do in the mornings is ground, and call yourself back into your body. So all of those things will probably help a bit. But there is just so much energy going on, and there's so much of the ascension symptoms that a lot of us are having difficulty sleeping anyhow. But this will definitely kind of minimize that and help with those coming back into harmony and balance again, or a little bit better than they are currently. So to call in morning glory, just take a deep breath, feel into your body, and repeat after me. I ask for the flower essence of morning glory to enter my energy fields, energy body, and physical consciousness with the help of the divine. I ask for the flower essence of morning glory to assist me with my soul learning to experience more natural states of energy, and to coming more in harmony between my astral body and my physical body. I ask for the flower essence of morning glory to manifest, to integrate. And then just take a deep breath and feel into your body, and then say, and stabilize. And put your hands where you're feeling it. And then just breathe that in. You may need to bring it in a couple times, and this would definitely be one that you might want to save, because again, with the energies being as intense and up and down as they are right now, this can happen quite a lot. So it may be one that you want to kind of have in your back pocket to call in if things start sliding again, or if you're starting to feel that that it's really hard to function during the day, or you really just can't get grounded, or you can't, feeling hungover. Like I said, I think is the best way to describe it. Just bring this out and try calling it in then. And as always, if you're interested in a personal healing session with the essences, or a soul alignment session where I use the flower essences, gem essences, and acupressure points in the body, then please message me. And other than that, take care and have a great day.